as much as this topic may seem to die down, it's a reason why it died down. People got to find out that they're not going to get to know the truth. What we are dealing with here is the unknown. They was talking, what I'm referring to is alien life. At one point, there was, remember those finding all these things? If you remember, those telling us that they was finding all these things on Mars, and, they was finding all these other planets, and, all this space activity. You notice all that just died down now, around the same time when, everyone stopped talking about aliens. So if you guys don't see that all of that was running with energy, then you're lost. You are lost, bro. You have to be. Bro, it died down. All of these news topics and all that, everything dies down around the same time. It's energy. As if we didn't already know that. Not just that he's energy, but he's alive. But we're going to continue to play I don't know what we're doing here. I don't know if that's, I'm just playing along with it. I'm just going with the flow. But sometimes I really wonder, do people really not see what's happening here? Do people really not see what's happening here? It's crazy.